Welcome back to Theology 101. My name is Peter Van Cleek. Today we're going to talk about the cosmological argument. And this is an argument that often shows itself in apologetic debates about the existence of God. Specifically, if you were to watch debates by, say, William Lane Craig, this is one of his favorite arguments, is the cosmological argument. It goes something like this. The first premise is, everything that has a beginning has a cause. The universe has a beginning. Therefore, the universe has a cause. We understand, we can go back to classical philosophy, that there cannot be an infinite regress of cause and effect. And this is because, it can get, sometimes it's complex, but it works like this. If everything in the world is just an infinite series of cause and effects, but there isn't actually a first cause, then everything that is an effect is only potential. It does not yet become actual. And so everything after this first cause, because it hasn't been defined yet, is still potential until that cause takes place. The problem is we know that our universe is not merely potential, that there are things that are actual, which means there was at some point something that started all of this. If there was not something that started all of this, then everything is potential, and it continues to be potential, infinitely potential. And things that are potential are not actual. They not become actualized. A thing cannot both be potentially hot and hot, all right? Not simultaneously. So is the same thing in our universe. We can't simply come to an actualized event in the world and not have a cause in the first place. It'd be like this. If it truly is an infinite regress of cause and effect, and we don't actually have a first cause, then the question we have to ask is, where is the middle? Where's the middle of the infinite regress? Where's the middle effect? Well, it's infinite, so there is no middle. And if we would consider our current existence the end, then how do we get to the end if we can't get to the middle? The very idea about it being infinitely in the past does not get us to a now. It just continues to be infinite. So there must have been something that started everything. And that thing we call God. Just like we were talking about in the teleological argument in one of the prior videos. The thing that is the cause of everything else is not itself caused. And that's why the first premise in this argument is so important. The first premise is everything that has a beginning has a cause. But to be God, the very nature of who God is, his essence, is that he not have a beginning. He is eternal in a sense that he is uncaused. And so we have an uncaused cause of everything else. So when you get the question like, where did God come from? It is the very nature of God to not come from someplace. He is self-existent. So that is a brief, 3 minutes, 4 minutes on the cosmological argument. I hope it's a help. Once again, my name is Peter. This is Theology 101. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you guys later. So if you like this video, maybe you'd like some others. Take a look around.